Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to bend text to fit into a circular logo. I will now give an example. First, make 3 circles. Set center using a line. Right-click. Type on a path tool. Click circle number 2. Type your text. Go to type. Type on a path. Options. Previews. Center. Now adjust. Next, hold Alt add copy. Go to type. Type on a path. Options. Previews. Flip tick. Readjust. And align center. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.